catfish. Damn catfish, guys. Look at this. Glass nose, guys. Oh, fish on. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Me and Clark Legacy 876 is at it again. And we got Bang here. Bang there in our place. That's what's up. So, guys, we out on a different location today. And we'll try to pick up some. I'm already getting hit on the shrimp drop line already. So I'm going to throw some lures in. See what I can pick up this morning. Stay tuned for an awesome hookup. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Damn it. I hate when that happens. That sucks. A little catfish. Damn catfish, guys. Look at this. At least I broke my ducks. What do you call these? Glass nose catfish? Something like that. Glass nose. Look at this, guys. What the hell am I going to do with this? He's eating my damn bait. You're eating my bait, buddy. Can I hook this guy and send him back out? No, I don't think so. Does he get my bait? He's eating a little fish. Look at this. A hungry little fella, ain't you? These guys around there catching these. I wonder if they'll want it. I'll give it to them. Eating off my bait. That's what it's doing. I'll use you for another bait someplace else. Hey guys, never had luck with lures down this part. I had one barra that I caught at Parity Point out there, and that was about it. I'd literally have to drive down to that point to walk the beach and catch fish before the wind kicks up. Oh, this little trigger not in my lineup. Bushes, as usual. Boy. What that? What that? Can I just line now? Ah, dear Lord. Hey Kevin. Yeah? I mean they have a lot of things going on that bridge. So all I want to left and grow this and left me around here, sir. Yeah? So all I want to go around there, sir. Hey, better me pack up them and go lure fish and go hunt. Don't sit down around here, so. You better me pack up them here, even though a bigger fish me I aim for still than them the little pecky take there. don't make no sense me do this kind of fishing if all on the gun. You know? That's how we grow on a parity point. Yeah? Because we don't catch be a parrot fish and snap on them sitting there and jackfish and them sitting there. Around the reef there. There's no reef no there so. That's just a river mouth and the reason why the river mouth full of fish is because fish come here to feed. Back river one tricky place you know. There's no way I do that here. Come here and fish. Be a ticky you left on your way. Waste gas, waste time. I don't catch fish here. You have to plan out your thing. What you have plan for do? Can I walk the beach and hunt the beach, you know? Eh? Can I walk the beach and hunt the beach? Because I know somebody don't pick up one barra or one big jack. Eh? Where did I go? You move from yourself? If we move from yourself, brother, it makes sense we go down towards border. Or grow on a galleon side. Because I know around there so I pick up at least jackfish and them sitting there. With a structure. You see, fish love structure to hide, you know. Pull in what? How much man there? I don't see nothing by it. Unless we charter one boat and go up river now, that's different. You know, so we aim for snook and tarpon on the lure. Yeah. What's about 6 grand in charge to go up river master. Or you can get one with troll. Troll with the lure them on the sea. And pick up 2 big barra. We're sure of that. We're sure we'll pick up 2 big barra or 2 mackerel or 2 jack or something. Yeah, this is one, yeah. Big one? No, the middle one. The short of the rod on the boat there. You have to use short rod on the boat. You can't use nothing tall. Alright, man. We'll bait up water again, man. We'll bait up the water again. You think so I come around here to come chill dogs. You hunt little baby fish. Clean up good, you know? So nice size, man. What that? Water and come back, man. Water and come back, man. One fresh. I'm not no fresh. I know that, but one crocodile will hang out on that boat, them live there. One 14-foot one. And that puss hole sneaky. I don't take no chair. He almost got me one time already. I run no joke with him. That's why I'm telling him when I come here, brother. I had an incident down here already. On that bridge. On that bridge. Because as soon as I move, he move on that boat. As soon as I move, he move. I was like, yeah. Just walk on, look, man. If you say that, then we'll go off by the time now. Brother, the line will lift up out of this and run off of big enough fish. Let's go and look, man, and come back. Alright, let's come. Now check that line now. Now bait up all of them and put them back out again. Yeah, man. Them they smell like bad pum pum. And them the one they fish want. Yo, smell like bad pum pum, but that they want, man. Ring. Yeah, this little line is going off, guys. I don't know what the hell's on it, but it's annoying as hell here fishing here because probably got something small on it. Feel like something small on it, guys. Don't know what the heck it is. Another catfish. I guess them boys are keeping these. Guess what? This is what's eating our bait. Big mouth catfish. There you go. Use you as bait for something else. Too bad I wasn't catching bigger ones. The line you go left here. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Alright, man. Quick. Yeah. I think you go over my line, you know, bro. You have to cast to the left because the current I carry the line them go so. Yeah. Making sure fishing came to a spot where I can lure fish. Whoop whoop. Yeah, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Let's get this lure out there and get in here and see what we can pick up this morning. Yo, Kevin. I tell you, say you did better off around you, so. Yeah. Here, guys. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hunting time, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. We're here again. Let's see what we can pick up this morning, guys. Whoop whoop. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Nothing yet, guys. We'll walk it. Couple of casts. Move. Brian's working up the back end, coming up. Cast and move, guys. Cast and move. I hitched a few barrows back here before. One got away from me one time. My feet's gonna pay for this tomorrow. Know that. Woohoo. Hey guys. So, shore fishing, I'm actually watching the premiere while I'm out hunting. I left Brian back there. So, I actually got the premiere running right now with you guys while I'm hunting. So, I have this little spot over here. I always pick up some barrows. So, I'm moving to the spot as far as I can go back and get to this spot and see if I can pick up that barracuda that's always hanging out in these spots right here. So, oh man, these rocks are unforgiving, guys. Here, guys, so I just had a lizard fish hit while I had the damn camera off a while ago. That sucked. And then now I'm seeing a longjaw being chased by something. Last time I was on this spot right here, I hit a yellowtail right here at this exact spot. Hey, the one. Cool, man. I don't bother you with it, man, Brian. But nothing now going for, man. Brian just hook one yellowtail on the lure look while, but we don't pick up nothing else yet. Catch 2 catfish in the Black River earlier, but done that's what dead. Okay. Yeah. See him? Huh? And glass nose. There you go, bro. Glass nose, guys. I don't play when we come out here to fish, bro. Come out here to fish, not play. Right? Yeah. Isn't that cooler? Can't come out of that, man. You can't go nowhere. Take out more shrimp. Yeah? Oh, you get one butterfish. Brother, the size fish them when I hunt for, big hook me I use. 1/0 hook. Nothing below 1/0 hook. And it's when you use 1/0 hook, you will not catch small fish. Guarantee you. Pineal 3 times on it. You see me? So this one I go, so Kevin. I'll send out the line. I'll drop it right on the side of the dock. That's alright. Between the dock and that, so. Watch like so. Right, that's all. See that? Go on down there, man. So when you hold it now, Kevin, you hold him and keep tension on the line so at all time. But try not to pull it into the rocks, you understand? So what you want them to do is go with their feet. Just keep tension on the line, don't make the line belly. Just keep tension on it. Because remember say weight a 2 ounce weight down there now. Balance. So keep tension on it. Don't make the line belly. Don't make the line belly none time. If you make the line belly, that's when you're gonna hitch up on them something there. So it's when the fish grab him or run and you know same there on it. Him or run with it. Tension, don't belly the line, you're bellying the line, sir. Do not push the hanger forward if the line are belly, sir. And keep tension upon it till you feel the weight. You want to feel when the fish them lick the line and move. If the line loose and the fish run with it, all them do is tear off the bait. The weight don't have to hold it on the bottom, keep the line them up in our ear so the fish them can see the line and just grab the line. But a lot of people don't understand that it's technique that does fishing. Everybody feel like say you just go out and throw line in the water so and I just so I said no, it's a technique. Oh, you get hitch up again? Eh? You get hitch up again? Here guys, I got fishing on Jamaican shore fishing. At least I didn't get nil today. I got a leatherback. Woo-hoo. Kevin! Leatherback. Yeah, I didn't get nil today guys. At least I can say I caught something today. This bad boy hit all the 3 hooks. He got all 3 hooks in his mouth. Leatherback fish. Alright, calm down, buddy. Calm down. I saw a few out big. Hooked the leatherback a while ago, guys. Oh boy. Huh? Alright, so 3rd spot. So far, we ain't striking nothing yet. Yet. Alright guys, you know me already, always got to do something like this. Ooh! I got hit just now. Ain't going on that rope. If they're not grabbing after this crystal middle, I don't see what else they'll grab. Oh, fish on. Long jaw. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gotcha. Yeah, guys, so I just caught a long jaw a while ago and messing around. Yeah, shore fishing, so we ain't catch much, as you guys can see. We came out, we tried these spots out, and nothing's happening. Me and Brian's coming out. I caught 1 long jaw, 1 leatherback, and 2 little catfish on this whole entire trip. So Didn't go home skunk. Didn't go home skunk. Guys, dreams versus reality is making food for us.
Cook up some.
So this is where we ended up at after this trip.
This look like a few parrot.
Mm-hmm.
They're so big we have to cut them in two.
Mm-hmm. So dreams versus reality. Look.
Yellow tail.
See him? Look guys.
One dreams.
Yeah, one dreams.
Yeah, man.
So guys, I'm my chef, you know? So this is where we ended up at. After all this fishing,
This is our peanut.
we're getting food. We're getting fed.
Can't go cook now.
Joe can't make.
Go take too long.
What? Pressure
Peanut
cooker
out
cook. Pressure
Oh,
cooker.
Jerry.
Stop it.
Jerry.
So this is where we ended up at. Ended up at Bang's place after we done all this fishing and stuff, and Bang decided to cook up some fish and make some food, and I kidnapped Brian and all this other stuff. So
And him kidnapped me.
yeah, I kidnapped
And he
Brian.
forgot me hard, and because him drive and me not drive.
Then put out APB upon Brian.
No,
so
AP
Brian
nothing.
missing and can't find. Gone fishing last time found was in St Elizabeth someplace.
Far away.
Far away.
from me yard.
We spot crocodile there. So you know when people missing, what happened, right? So
Either you find them or you don't find them.
Nigeria, we find him. He not gone nowhere. No worry about that. Big up in yourself. Jamaican shore fishing guys, we outside. And we're just chilling out, guys, after this long day fishing trip and getting some fish together and some dinner. So we got my G over here cooking some good fish for us, and pot hot already and oil in a pot, and you know the vibes. So stay tuned. Next vibes. That's it. I'm getting ready to eat some of this stuff right now. Steamed fish. That's what's up. So is this how we're gonna end this video? I don't think so. It's not the end of the video yet, but we're still filming. Eating some good food, guys. Look at this. That's what's up. Oh my God, this is so good. Me and Brian's out at Kevin's with steamed fish and crackers. So stay tuned for the rest of the adventure, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. Love ya. Big up.